Hi, this is John with WTI, and most of the time I have a little bit of trouble sleeping. I wake up in the middle of the night, or I have a hard time to get that sleep in. But this melatonin, this supplement, has been a great help because this is an aid for your sleep. So the way that I do this is that I take one of those pills maybe 9, 10 p.m. Try not to do it too late in the night because then you wake up sleepy. You will be sleepy for most of the day. But for me, this just works great and is a great aid when it comes to getting a good quality sleep over the night. And it actually has some other side benefits. So if you're looking for a great aid that is going to maybe help you with your sleep or to get quality sleep. And the pill is not that big, so you can compare it to a quarter, and it's going to be an easy way to deal with it. This one is a great one and has been great for me. This was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.